Hey everybody! Today we're making these cute standing animals from paper. I've created a video demonstration on how you can create your own. Watch the video and then get your materials together and make your own. You can also add an environment to your animal. I made mine drinking from the water. Have fun and be creative. Ciao ciao for now. Bye! The materials you'll need for this project are colored paper, yarn, crayons, scissors, and glue. First, start by making the body. Next, make the head. I suggest making all the parts of the head before attaching it to the body. Add details with scrap paper and yarn. When you're finished, you can finally add your environment. And there you have it. Standing animals with paper. Have fun and be creative. Ciao ciao for now. Bye!